Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So in today's video, I'm going to be looking at another airdrop again, and this airdrop is going to be similar with the same with CTC, the airdrop that we just did a few months ago, and we made a lot of money with CTC. Some made up to 100, some made up to 30 to 60. Those that even waited even made up to $200 with CTC. So this airdrop is still similar, the same with CTC airdrop. So in this video, I'm going to be guiding you step by step on how to start with the airdrop, on how to register, and on how also to do your KYC. This airdrop don't have much to do. The only thing that you need to do is just for you to register and do your KYC. And once you do your KYC, the next thing for you to do is just to receive your tokens. And once you receive your tokens, you're now good to go with the airdrop. So I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to get started with this airdrop. But before we start with the airdrop, I'd like us to come to our token. I guess you people are minding your token very well. Please take your token very serious, because this airdrop listing is near and we need to be focused on it also. But today is not going to be the focus of this video. So let's go back to the main focus of today's video. So to get your CXTR, the only thing you need to do is just go to your Play Store, and once you come to your Play Store, you just need to download it now. And once you download it, this is how it's going to look like over here. I'm going to drop the link over to under the description box where you're going to press, and once you get the link, you're going to go to the Play Store direct to download it there. So now once you download it, now the next thing for you to do now is just to open the app. Once you open the app, now this is how it's going to look like over here. So the next thing for you to do over here is just to come over to this place that it says sign up and sign in now. So once you click on it now, the next thing for you to do now, since we don't have an account, we want to open a new account, we just need to come over to this place that says sign up over here and click on this sign up that I see over here. So all we need to do is here is just over here, we just need to put in the email that we want to use. Then here we just need to put in the password. Here you're just going to put in the referral code that is going to be under the description box of this video. You're going to see the referral code on the description box. Just put in over here, then just click over here, just tip it here. So as soon as you're finished putting everything, the next thing for you to do over here is just to come over to this place and click here. So once you click on this sign up button that is over here, the next thing you are going to receive the email from there. Now the next thing for you to do over here is just to copy your email, copy over this code that is over here, go back and put it over there and verify your email. So now once you're done registering, the next thing for us to do now is just for us to log in now over here. So the next thing for you to do is just put in the email that you have just verified with your password over here. So once you're done putting in your password and your email, the next thing for you to do over here is just for you to just come over to this place over here. And please, you're finding it difficult to log into this app over here, just turn on your VPN. As you can see, my VPN is on, so turn up your VPN. And please, if you have watched this video up to this point, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button over there, and also like this video and drop your thoughts over the comment section over there. So once you log into the app, this is how the app is going to appear now. So now over here now, the major place that you need to focus over here is just to focus on this place over here, this place that you're talking about, the KYC over here. You just need to focus over here so that we'll do our KYC. Then the next place now, after you've done your KYC, you can come over to this place that is over here for you to get your referral code, to also invite your friends. I'm going to be showing you step by step, but first of all, let us get done with the KYC process first. So over here now, the first place over here now, over here is just your personal information over here, and under your personal information, all you just have to do over here is just the first place now is just to put in your real name. So if you have an ID card that have 3 names, that means you are going to be putting in your first name over here, then you put in your middle name over there, then you put in your last name over here. Then this place over here that they say DOP, just mean the meaning is just date of birth. You just put in the date of birth in your ID card. Then you just need to scroll down. In the next place over here, this place here that you are saying that you should just put in your address. You just need to put in the address on your ID card. Then here you just need to set it to your country, any country that you're from. If you're from Nigeria, US, Ghana, Canada, you just need to select your country. Then you just need to select the state in your country, and here just select the city. Then here now you just need to put in your country code over here. So once you're done, you just need to come over to this place that you see next over here. So once you come to this ID info now, the next thing for you to do over here, first of all, you need to just put in your ID here, the front side of your ID. Put in the front side of your ID here. You just need to put in the back side of your ID, and as you can see, the next thing for you to do is just to click over this place that is here. Click on the next page. So here now, the next place for you here is just taking your selfie. As you can see, my selfie is over here. Once taking your selfie now, you just need to click over here. And lastly, it's going to be showing pending because they are going to review it, and the review is just going to be taking 24 hours. So after 24 hours now, you're going to be getting this place over here. It's going to be showing successful if you have passed the KYC, and the KYC is very necessary for us, so we need to try all means to pass your KYC. So here is your referral code. You can use your referral code to invite your friends over here. So once you're done your KYC, if you want to see your coin, the next place for you to come is just to come over to this your portfolio here. So once you come over here, the next thing is just need to come to this where it says spot over here. Once you click over your spot, so now once you're done with your KYC and you've passed your KYC, you can see now you're just going to be seeing your reward over here. As you can see, my tokens are already here waiting for me. Let me do it in a very nice way. You can see my tokens. You're going to be claiming your 100 tokens, and these 100 tokens are the ones that are doing the airdrop. They are going to extend it to your USDT. Please, if you find value in this video, please don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to drop your comment under the comment section. And please, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.